What's up, guys? Happy Monday. Welcome back to the channel. I'm back from DC. It's a little warm outside still. I want to work outside today. The one part of my Z06 I've kind of neglected so far since I bought it is the engine compartment. It's pretty filthy. So I'm going to remedy that today. Hi, Turbo. I got some gunk cleaner. I did this on my C7 and it turned out pretty well. But they actually make a second step shine now. So we're going to give that a try as well. Seems pretty straightforward. So let's head outside and take care of that engine. All right, so the things you're gonna need, well, I use to do this. A couple little brush, kind of a big brush, a leaf blower to get all the debris out at first, engine cleaner, and a hose over there. I don't know if you can see it. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prep the engine compartment by taking off these covers, and anything electrical, I'm gonna go ahead and bag up. All right, got my battery and fuse area covered. My alternator should be good enough for this situation. So I'm gonna go ahead, step one. I'm gonna liberally put it on there. I'm going to mechanically agitate it with a couple brushes, let it sit for about 15 minutes. We'll hose it off and then we'll put the protective coat on after that. So here we go. Ten more minutes, we'll wash it off. All right, been about 12 minutes. Got a nice little shower here, nothing too crazy, maybe. There we go. I'm just gonna give her a nice little hosing off here. Air in those toes. All right, let's try this. Okay, you can see all the oil. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, before I start anything or put the second step on, is dry it off really good with the sun and a leaf blower. All right, I got some clouds now. That's okay. We'll let her sit about another 15 minutes. We'll do step 2. And I think that's just a, I'll read the directions, but you just put it on and it does its thing. You let it sit and it gives it a nice sheen. All right, so here we go, step 2, the Shine engine protector. Never used this, so we'll see what happens. It's pretty dry, it's about 85% dry, but not going for perfection here. It's more of a curiosity. I wouldn't be surprised. It's just like a tire shine situation. Looks good. Wouldn't fuck with my belts or anything. So, all right. I ain't too mad about it. Oh, everything's lubricated. That's damn sure. Hit my windshield and shit on it. So, and I cleaned my covers last week, so I didn't go too crazy with them, but I'm gonna cover it with this. Cool. So it looks like that's about it, guys. I'm gonna take everything off, take the plastic off, put the covers on, and I'll give you guys an after video. So yeah, there you have it. It's been drying for about 30 minutes. I think it's gonna keep the sheen. It looks amazing. My neighbor just stopped by and he was like, wow, that's amazing. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am gonna go ahead and lube these up. These look pretty gross, the little hinges, before I call this a day. And like always, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, give it a comment, and if you don't know about my contest, I'm giving away $244 when I hit 500 subs. I'm on my way right now. So if you want to be a part of that, just go ahead, sub, comment, and yeah guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Later. God damn, bro.
How many did you drop? Two?
Two. These I'll put some.
Budweiser Nitro Reserve Gold. I'm just learning about this. It has really interesting instructions. Darren's very educated on this topic, and he's going to show us how to do it. Right, Darren?
Right.
All right. Like that enthusiasm. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. All right, here we go. All right, Darren, what are you going to do here? You don't tell us. You just do it. You spinning it 3 times. Okay, that's a mess.
It's not a horrible way to pour.
It looks cool in there. Looks like a Guinness. Is that it?
Let me do it.
Say hi, Lindsay.
Hi.
Well, that was great. Thanks, Darren. All right.